So we're sitting down with Fabio Marti from Security and Safety Things. How are you doing, Fabio?
Thanks, I'm doing just fine, and thanks a lot for having me.
No worries, no worries. So Fabio, tell us more about Security and Safety Things and its impact on the security industry.
We're a startup owned 100% by Bosch, and what we're trying to do to the security and safety industry is do for security cameras what Android has done for smartphones. So basically turn security cameras into multi-purpose IoT devices that you can flexibly equip with apps from an application store that features lots of apps from many different developers.
What would you say is the impact of having an open platform that runs on multiple cameras, the vast software library? How does this benefit end users?
I think it benefits end users in a multiple of ways. First of all, it provides end users with much more innovation, because by providing that open platform, we distribute the burden of innovation to a worldwide community of developers that can develop apps for cameras that run our open operating system for security cameras. So by distributing that burden, we allow a worldwide group of experienced developers to create new apps, create new ways of using security cameras and using video to provide value beyond just the security and safety domain, and providing end customers with operational intelligence in a variety of fields. So on top of that, this gives customers then the versatility to use their devices for lots of new use cases that you can't even think of today. So use cases don't just go and are not restricted anymore to the security and safety domain, like intrusion detection or damage detection or these sort of things, but they go beyond, and you can now use security cameras or surveillance cameras to, for instance, optimize your shop, your retail shop, analyze customer flow, understand stock levels within your shop, so you can direct people to the right places, direct the staff to the right places to fix things for you. And even beyond that, you can think about today rather exotic sounding use cases like in the agriculture field, where you might want to use security cameras to detect mold on plants or other damage to your crop. So this really isn't restricted in any way, shape, or form, and there's countless ways that you can benefit from that in the future. And on top of all that, because you can flexibly equip and re-equip your cameras with applications, you're not locked into your hardware investment, but you're really flexible in such a way that you can repurpose cameras that you have purchased at some point over their lifetime to do different jobs for you than those that you have envisioned from the very start.
What elements of the open platform do you think can change the industry? You've probably picked up on that a bit in your previous answer.
Yes, indeed, I did. And I think the very nature of a platform is that it only works in its entirety. So there's not really one thing that you can pinpoint to be the value generator for the industry. But if we just go through them very quickly, I think first of all, the open camera operating system that we provide to camera manufacturers free of charge, it creates a level playing field for everyone to contribute value on. On top of that, then we provide a development environment to software developers that makes it very easy for them to develop applications for all of the cameras that run our operating system. And right now we already have like camera manufacturers such as Bosch, Vivotech, or Hanwha on board who will go with this approach. Then, in addition to that, we provide an application store where app developers can offer their apps. This takes away from them the burden of marketing their application. And we also take care of the administrative work and the logistics, such as export control of them. So they can focus even more on innovation. And then in the end, that application store is also where end users can go and source always the latest and greatest applications using the latest advancements in computer vision and AI to equip their cameras with new capabilities and drive the use cases I just mentioned before.
Well, it was very lovely having you, Fabio. Thank you so much. You've given us some great answers. We hope to see lots more exciting things with security and safety things in the future.
Thank you. So do we. Thanks for the opportunity and looking forward to the result.
No worries. No worries. Me too. See
You
you
have
later,
a good
Fabio.
day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.